Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru, and today we're talking about some changes to the Department of Insurance with the state of Alabama. Now, recently, the state of Alabama relaxed certain restrictions when it came to surplus companies. Remember, these are non-admitted carriers, which go by different rules than admitted carriers. This means you may not necessarily be able to appeal a claim. You may not be able to file a complaint. But in putting in some of these relaxed restrictions into the state of Alabama, we could see more private flood insurance options come into the state of Alabama. This could be good news for property owners, especially in areas like Mobile County, Baldwin County, which may be the two hardest counties to find flood insurance options because of the coast. But it could also mean more options in areas of Birmingham, Alabama, Huntsville, Alabama, Tuscaloosa, Alabama, Anniston, Alabama. These are all areas that have experienced significant flooding over the last 5 years. So with these changes, be looking for more options in the state of Alabama. If you've got questions about all the different private flood insurance options in Alabama, the different options with Legacy NFIP or Risk Rating 2.0, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this right here. Your flood insurance and mitigating your property long term. Thank you.